Hello everyone and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the garden. It's the 27th of June 2023. Now many of you have been asking, how do I know when to harvest bottle gourd? So in this video I'll share with you few signs that you should look for before harvesting bottle gourd. Bottle gourd comes many varieties, different shapes and sizes. The variety that we are growing, it comes from the Sylhet region of Bangladesh. This is known as Fani Khodu, also known as Banglalau. Now, if you remember, about 10 days ago, I have shown you this bottle gourd in one of my videos. This was about 3 inches tall. Just in 10 days, the fruit has reached about an arm length. And I've noticed this morning, it has grown a little bit bigger than yesterday. So I can see this khodu is growing. I'm going to wait another few more days before I harvest this bad boy. Now, this khodu here, we have shown you a couple of times in our previous videos. The khodu has reached the ground. It can't grow any longer. Oh, mashallah, this is a beautiful looking khodu. Smells so nice. Now, this is almost tall as me. This variety can grow up to 5 feet tall. I've noticed there is less hair visible on the khodu. As I run my hand over the khodu, I can feel less hair on the khodu. So it's time for me to harvest this khodu. I think this khodu is ready. I'm not going to leave this khodu on the plant for any longer in case it develops seeds inside it and it's not going to taste nice. So let's harvest this bad boy today. Beautiful khodu. I'm so happy. This is our third khodu of the season and I have one more out into the ground which I'll be harvesting maybe in the next few days. Now I really hope you enjoyed watching this short video. If you have, please give us a thumbs up, like the video and share the video with your friends and family. Happy gardening. Assalamu alaikum, and I'll see you in the next one.